Install the LED module waterproof rubber ring, and at the same time paste the label with the installation date and batch number for maintenance. During the installation process of the outdoor LED display, special attention should be paid to the waterproof sealing to ensure long-term stable operation. The LED module and the cabinet should be fixed with high-strength rust-proof screws, and fastened with waterproof rubber pads or sealing rubber rings to ensure that each connection reaches IP65 and above protection level. First, firmly install the test button with waterproof rubber ring in the reserved hole on the panel. Then fix the industrial-grade power socket and signal input socket to the corresponding openings respectively, paying attention to the anti-miss insertion marks that distinguish the AC input terminal and the low-voltage signal interface. Then install the power supply on the heat dissipation aluminum plate and install the power cord, etc. Install the receiving card on the hub data board, and fix all cables with screws to ensure that each component can be disassembled and maintained separately. After assembly, power on test, signal response test and heat dissipation performance test should be carried out in sequence to ensure that the power box supports hot swap function and each interface is not loose. After the LED cabinet is assembled, it needs to pass a 15-minute rainstorm waterproof test, simulating a heavy rainfall of 100 mm per hour, to ensure the sealing of the joints, reach the IP65 protection level, and ensure stable outdoor operation. LED cabinet is assembled, the entire LED screen is constructed and undergoes at least 72 hours of aging test. EA500H7 rental LED screen supports external curved surface and internal curved surface installation, as well as splicing into a cylindrical shape.